The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new 5G phone under our series in China called Redmi R70. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi R70 5G features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UNISOC T8300 chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 46 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi R70 5G sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear, along with the 8-megapixel selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, based on HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi R70 5G has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in country in Cold Mist Blue, Feather Mist Purple, Feather Mist White, and Star Rock Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi R70 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.